Legal tussle over the right to information has taken the spotlight in the weapons case against Namibian national. Urbanus Shomboako has been implicated in the Phala Phala burglary by former spy boss Arthur Fraser, but not charged. It was while he was in custody awaiting trial on unrelated weapons charges that he was visited by Hawks officials regarding the Phala Phala case. His lawyers now want to know why. The state has hit back, saying this information is irrelevant to the case at hand. Ayesha Ismail was in court and breaks down these arguments for us.
The state maintains that Urbanus Shomboako is charged with the illegal possession of 12 firearms and reckless driving, and not the Phala Phala burglary. And this is why they only furnished his lawyers with information relating to those charges.
It was the results from the lab report that showed that our client's DNA was not found on the firearms, and neither was his fingerprints found on the firearms. It was not found on the bags either.
It's alleged the contents of Shomboako's cell phones were copied before his devices were returned to him. But Hekroth says a request into the legal basis as to why this was done has gone unanswered. He also wants to know why his client was approached on the Phala Phala matter when he wasn't even charged for that offence.
Then we requested the information about the Pollsmoor visit, and we were told that it's not relevant either. In June, I've also mentioned before that our client was visited by certain members of the Hawks, and when on that occasion when they visited him, they did not question him about this matter. They questioned him about the Phala Phala matter and the affidavit that Mr. Fraser deposed to under oath. So naturally, when they contacted me to ask me to speak to him about the Phala Phala matter, I was confused as to what the connection is. They felt that he's a witness to the matter, as I've mentioned before, and also he's named in Mr. Fraser's statement. So in court, when my client came in and I went to speak to him, he mentioned to me that, in his way, that the gentleman sitting at the back is one of the men that was visiting him the day in Pollsmoor.
On the 8th of December, the magistrate will have to make a ruling on whether Shomboako's lawyers are entitled to this information. Ayesha Ismail, Cape Town.